How to log in into your Temu account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. You will be landing on the homepage of Temu app. Once you are in here, tap on You at the bottom and then click on Sign In or Register at the very top. Well, in here, you will be able to see three different options. One is Continue with Google, the other is Facebook, and the next one is Apple ID. From here, choose the specific ID in which you have created your account. Let me click on Continue with Google. Now you have to choose a specific account and then click on Accept. There you go, you have been successfully logged into your Temu account. So this is the end of the video, and this was a tutorial video on how to log in into your Temu account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.